Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about the operators. What are the operators and then what are the different type of operators in Python. So let's move forward. So guys, as I said, the topic is operators. So number one question obviously comes of what are operators. So operator is basically something as a tool in Python which help you to perform any particular operation. Okay. So operator is moreover like a helper who can help you to compare the data or perform any action. So if you want to perform any action on data, so that you can do with the help of operator. Okay, and the basic example of that will be like let's say you have a data and you want to calculate the sum of two columns. Let's say you have any column which is salary, and then you have another column in your data that is bonus. So let's say you want to calculate how much amount you paid to one employee. So how you'll do that? You'll say salary plus bonus equal to total payment. Okay, this is equal to total pay. So this plus is allowing you to add these two values. This is an operator. Okay, and operators are of various type. Okay, so I'll talk about them in a while, but let's say now if I ask you that which one is more, like let's say an employee is getting salary and bonus. So there is one scenario, somebody is asking you or your leadership is asking you that whether you gave more bonus or more salary. So let's say somebody says bonus was more. So this is an operator which talks about that bonus is greater than salary. So this symbol again, it's an operator. So this is very simple. Okay, whenever you want to perform any action on the data, that is with the help of operator, and operator are of almost 7 types. I would say 6 to 7 type. I'll tell you the name, and then from the next video onwards we are going to discuss one by one in detail, each in detail. Okay, so number one is arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic operator? Operators which help you to basically perform mathematical things like plus, minus, etc. Okay, then you have assignment operator. This is second type. These type of operator basically help you to assign the value. Okay, as the name indicates. Then we have the comparison operator. The name itself tells you that when you want to compare two value, like here we were comparing two value, so those type of operators are known as comparison operator. Then we have logical operators. So for now, you just try to understand and remember the name. In the next video, from the next video, basically, I'll pick up one and then we'll discuss all variety of that particular type. Okay. So the fifth one is identity operator. Identity operator. Then sixth type is membership. The operator which basically help you to check the membership of any particular data, whether that belongs to that set of data or not. So for now, just try to understand the brief theory about it. Okay, and these all are heavily used in your day-to-day work. Okay, so the last one is the seventh type is bitwise operator. So these are basically 7 types of operator in Python, and all operations, all actions you can do using these 7 type of operators. Okay. Now on this note, I am going to conclude this video here, and from the next video onwards, we'll take each and will detailed explanation will be finished in that particular video. So on that note, guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button and please share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. If you have any question, please do that also. You can put your question in the comment section. I will reply to you for sure. And if you're on the channel for the very first time and if you like my effort, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video.